Step into the 2011 Nissan Juke. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, passenger airbag, trip computer, sunroof, front side airbag, AM/FM stereo, navigation system, and floor mats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.